What a day this has been in the crypto space. Dogecoin is up 62% in the past 24 hours. Right now it's sitting at the top 10 cryptocurrency of all time. What if I told you that this is just the beginning? Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is HM and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 altcoins that I believe are going to explode in the near future or in this bull run. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm not advising you to buy any of these coins. However, I am personally invested in them and I would like to point out a few points about why I'm invested in them. I'm going to start by talking about the largest market cap of the 3 and then I'm going to go down to the lowest of the 3. And you do not want to miss the last one because this one has a potential of 4-digit gains. Think about it. Now let's jump into the first one, and that is none other than Ethereum. Now let's talk about Ethereum and see where it's at right now. So Ethereum's market cap right now is sitting at 270 billion almost. Now comparing that to the market cap of Bitcoin, which is 1.2 trillion right now, thinking about it, it was less than a year ago where Bitcoin was actually at 250 billion. So imagine right now Ethereum is where Bitcoin was about a few months ago, which is insane. Now not only that, we also broke all-time highs on Ethereum. All-time high right now is $2,343, which is insane. It seems normal, but it's actually completely insane. If you look at this news from Cointelegraph, it says Ether hits all-time highs ahead of Berlin hard fork. Now what Berlin hard fork is, this is something that's going to happen today, and it's going to happen at this block, which is block number 12,244,000. The reason why they talk about the block number and not the actual time, because due to the varying of the block times and the transactions being completed, we do not know the exact time when this launches. However, it is set to launch at this block. I'm sure this has some impact on price, and mainly because this one is basically Berlin is paving the way to the London update, which should happen sometime this year, and that should dramatically decrease the fees that are going on with the gas fees and everything. And now let's jump into the chart and why I am very bullish on Ethereum and why I think it has huge potential. Now, I'm looking at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, which is comparing Ethereum to Bitcoin. I know I always repeat that on this channel, but I think it's very important. Basically, this means that Ethereum right now is cheap compared to where it was back then compared to Bitcoin. Now, if you notice right here, the all-time high of this is about 17,500 sats. Right now, we're at 3,000 sats. So just comparing where we are right now compared to the all-time high, that is about 6x return. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna do a 6x return right now if you buy. However, Ethereum has been showing very good signs of strength. If you notice, we have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This basically means we're in a bull run and we are in an uptrend, and Ethereum is a great place to be positioned. Other than the fact that it's fundamentally amazing, it's probably one of the best, if not even better than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is basically gold and then Ethereum is basically like the internet. Imagine how big this is. So I'm very bullish on Ethereum. However, it's not as risky as the ones that I'm going to talk about after that because, well, it's already very well established. As we said, 260 billion market cap is definitely a very big asset. So it has a lot of room to grow and it's definitely one of the safer options of the bunch. Moving on to the next one, and that is Litecoin. Fundamentally, Litecoin, I'm honestly not a big fan of. It's very similar to Dogecoin. What it does is it provides peer-to-peer transactions, and it actually does that in a very fast and cheap way. Compared to Dogecoin, Dogecoin does not have a maximum supply, but this one does have a maximum supply. So right now the price is about $263, and the all-time high was about $400 back in 2017, 2018. However, again, that's not the reason why I'm very bullish on it. The reason why I'm extremely bullish on Litecoin is because of this chart. Also, the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart. If you look at the Litecoin USD chart, it's looking good. It's looking as well bullish. We have higher lows and higher highs. We're in an uptrend, volume is good. But if you look at this one, this chart is insane. So right now, if you notice, we have, I drew before support right here and a resistance right there. Now this support, we haven't reached that support ever since February of 2017, which is 4 years ago. This is a historical support, and personally, when we reach a support that we haven't reached in 4 years, I personally definitely take the risk, and I actually entered the trade right here, and I'm willing to ride it and see where it goes. And what this percentage gain might be is about 323%. And also if we go further, it can go all the way up to 500%. Personally, I'm gonna keep looking at it, and I think I'm going to exit right here, and then I would dump my funds into Bitcoin, because personally my goal is to increase my Bitcoin position as much as possible. Basically, when Litecoin becomes expensive compared to Bitcoin, here's when I move my money from Litecoin to Bitcoin. That's basically what this chart depicts. Now moving on to the third coin that I believe in big time, and that is OMG Network. The reason I believe in OMG Network is because it's a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, which basically provides quicker and cheaper transactions for Ethereum. Since Ethereum 2.0 has been delayed, we need a cheaper solution for now that's going to provide us with quicker transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. So OMG Network comes in, and OMG Network proved itself, or they proved themselves back in 2017. They went all the way up to $25 almost, and right now we're sitting at $9. So we do have a lot of room to grow. Also, looking at the market cap of this one, this is actually a 1.2 billion market cap coin, which basically means if we want to go to 10 billion, which is not very far off, the price would go times 10. If you think about it, this is insane. What other market can give you a 10x other than crypto? I don't think you can find any. And now I'm gonna jump into the chart of OMG BTC, which is the same one that we were talking about with Litecoin and Ethereum. And again, this one is looking very similar to the Litecoin one and to the Ethereum one. It just did a higher low right here, and I did invest in it somewhere around there. And now if you look at the potential gains we might have for this, that is about, if we exit right here, we don't want to ride it all the way up there. If we exit right here, that's a 300% gain against Bitcoin. Think about it. And then if we zoom out further, that's gonna blow your mind. We can go all the way from here up to there. I'm not saying we will, but if we do, that's a 1,500 to 1,600%. Imagine 15 times your money. If you put $1,000 right now, there's a potential that it can reach $15,000. Not guaranteeing anything, it may not happen. However, personally, I would like to think that it might, and that's why I took this trade, because the risk to reward ratio is amazing, and I would definitely take some risk for this potential gain. And also, if you notice, the volume has been increasing. So this is the weekly chart, so each candlestick is 1 week, and if you notice, the volume has been increasing like that. So this is a good sign that we're in a bull market, and I definitely wanted to take a risk in that, and I potentially want to see a 15 times of my money or my Bitcoin position. And that's it, guys. Again, disclaimer, I'm not advising you to invest in any. However, personally, I like those projects. I did invest in those projects. I did put a decent amount of money in each of them. I just like to put my money where my mouth is. I don't want to tell you to invest in some coin that I don't believe in or I did not take a trade in. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please like the video, and please subscribe if you're new here. We're almost at 1,000 subs, and I really appreciate if you can subscribe. I'm going to be posting way more videos so we can succeed in this bull run and make as much money as possible with it. That's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.